Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an AI progress video using Midjourney. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you should do is to come up with some kind of prompt and input it in the chat section to create some artwork. After that, in order for you to create the video, type dash video at the end, then press enter, then wait for your artwork to appear. Then the artwork will appear, but you have to do another step. On the message, click on the add reaction button, then search for the envelope, click it and choose the black envelope. Then, it will give you your video. That's it. Hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.